Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video I want to show you how to mount a box buttress in the wall. So let me take you and see how you can mount a box while on site, at home or workplace. So enjoy. Please like this video, share to friends, and remember to subscribe. So watch until the end, please. Mikono box yenye inajengwa buttress. This is the buttress, guys. This is the procedure of mounting. So you need to have the cement mixed ratio with sand. So also the tools you need to have is shovel and masonry hammer plus hand drill, chisel. These are the tools, guys. See, the hammer, the chisel, hammer, and the
coding drill for making holes.
So see the process, guys. Please subscribe to our channel. I am showing you from the start to the end. So also you need the spirit level to check the straightness of the box by taking the measurement. So see, guys. For those who are new, those who want to learn on how to mount the box inside the wall. So hope you have learned something, and if you are a new guys, please subscribe to our channel. We are road to 4,000 subscribers. So subscribe. See you in the next video, guys. Thank you.